Nice to meet you, engineers. Welcome to my channel. In today's session, we will continue creating the shape from the previous section, and we will finalize the fill conditions. To recap, before we work the shape, this is the point 9 it is known is an intersection point. This intersection point is we have different types of intersection we will use. It is easy method. 1. Intersection link and point slope. There is a link, point, and slope. And the second method is we can make an intersection for two links. And the third one is the intersection two points and slope. They have 2 points P1 and P2, and there is a slope. We will use intersection by 2 points and slope. For now, we have a point, a link, and slope. We will use the link, point, slope method. Now we are creating a shape one. This one paved asphalt. It will be we can use also, we can say it, we can rename by pave one because the material can be different from one place to according to our requirement. And we will create also a shape for the next pavement layer. In order to work this, we will go to the toolbox, that is intersection point. We click this intersection point. We will use the types of intersection is intersection link and point slope, and we have a link 7. You see, this is link 7, common for all. We have created the previous section. Therefore, the link is this link 1, link 7, and the point is point 3. And the slope is common, the shoulder slope. We will use write down SS. It is shoulder slope. If now point 10, an intersection point is created, and we will go to creating a link. This link connects point 3 and point 10. Point 3 and point 10. Now, in order to calculate the material, we should also create a link that connects point 9 and point 10. 9 and point 10. Yeah, this link, you see. Now we will create a shape. This shape is, we can different types of creating a shape. For example, one, by adding the link. Adding link means link 2, link 8, link 10, and link 11. This is in order to see the method. This is link 11. Add link. Link 10. Add link. Link 11, 10, link 2. We will rename this one link 2. We add one link. This link is link 8. Automatically, they create a shape. For the next pavement layer, we will another method of link create. We should write down this is pave 1, pave 2. Sorry. We are creating pave 2. Now we will create an intersection point. This intersection point is that created by link and point slope. The link is for this one is link 7 and the point is 0.4 and the slope is this SS slope. Now point 11 is created. We will give a link. This link connects point 4 and point 11 with the slope, shoulder slope, you know, point 4 and point 11. We also create one link connects point 10 and point 11. Point 10 connects point 11. In order to maximize, we select this one and move downward. The flow chart will be increase the size. Now we will create a shape code. This shape is we have to make by adding link before we see. Now by selecting this, select shape in preview. Automatically select this one and give the name. For this you can say base course. We also now create an intersection for the layer. This intersection is intersection points link point slope. This connects point 5. The link is link 7. The point is 0.5 and the slope is shoulder slope. Now we will extend the link. In case this size, this will point 11 will be according to the sail. They can extend small amount in order to not creating this gap. 0.5 and 0.12 should be extend the link. We will check this one, extend link. Yeah, it in order to this is we have confidence for the work, and we will create now a link. This link connects 0.5 and 0.12. 5 12. We add another link that connects 0.11 and 12. Now we create a shape. This shape is we can by adding link. This is in order to practice. For example, add link 1.5 half and link 1.4 and link 1.3. In this case, there is no link 1.3 for us. Now link 11. We rename link 11. And we don't have a link 13 for this time. We don't like 3. Now we only use link 4. We should edit by edit. If we didn't edit, they don't give a required shape. Therefore we have 4 links, link 1.5 1.4 12 and 4, and we give this shape, for example, subbase. This is all about the field condition. We finalize the shape of for the field condition. This is the shape 1, shape 2, the shape 3, shape 4, and we finalize for the field condition. We continue to the cut condition. For the next time we will see the cut condition. In order to create the cut condition, the existing surface should be above the datum or it will be positive. Automatically, when you make a positive, the field condition, this pavement will disappear. Right 4. This is for the cut condition. We can 1 meter the surface in order to see fit screen. This is our for the cut condition. For the cut condition, we will continue next time. If there is not anything not clear, drop in the comment below, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, comment. All this is as input for me and to do more videos. For now, see you next tutorial. Stay safe on site and keep building. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.